Right, hello, I'm back. Now, as most of you will remember from the last vid, I'm making a semi-automatic gas non-blowback miniature SA80 pistol. Change of plan. I am no longer using the Beretta because after taking it to pieces in there's not enough room. So, luckily, or unluckily, whichever, I also have a YRC, I think it is, or SRC, or HTC, or somebody, non-blowback polymer 1911, which is slimmer, also gas non-blowback, also defunct. The shell is, the interiors are fine. So, I'm going to put that in it instead. Okay, won't have as much ammo, because it's single stack. But it should work alright. And I'll give that a bash. As you can see for now though, I've stripped it down. I'm going to choppy for a bit now. I shall speak to you all later. Thanks for watching.